Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make Android camera stable. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make your Android camera more stable and reduce shaky footage, here are several ways to achieve stable shots with your Android camera. Method 1. Use built-in stabilization features. Firstly, open your camera app. Go to the settings menu, the gear icon. Look for options like video stabilization, steady shot, or EIS, and enable it. Many high-end smartphones have built-in optical image stabilization. Ensure it's enabled by default, as there may not be a direct setting to toggle it. By implementing these methods, you can significantly improve the stability of your Android camera, resulting in smoother and more professional looking photos and videos.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.